Well, welcome back. Can you guys give us some examples of some of the kinds of traffic and some of the kinds of the listings that you've had by using videos?
Yeah, we sure can. When we first started using these techniques, we launched our product and we were uploading videos to these services and noticed that in 24 and 48 hours we were getting very high search engine rankings. And there were some specific techniques we were using to do it. But for example, and we'll display this on the screen right now, the keyword phrase San Diego trial lawyer and San Diego trial attorney, we achieved a #1 Google result in just 48 hours. That's one example. Another one we got was internet video marketing. We achieved a #6 position in 24 hours. Another one was AIDS in Africa. And another keyword that we used for promoting a project was Angelina Jolie. We actually had the top #1 position in Google Video for several weeks, which resulted in a tremendous amount of qualified traffic. It goes on. Internet infomercials, we typically have 7 out of the top 10 results in Google. And another one that we got was ovarian cancer and ovarian cancer testimonials. Those we achieved very high search engine rankings. These ones varied anywhere from the top 20 to the top 60 in Google. But again, you're getting quality, qualified traffic because of those.
That's right. Well, the thing too to keep in mind is that you've got search engines like Google, the general search engines, and that's where most of these rankings we were just talking about come into play. The AIDS in Africa one came into play on Google Video itself. So you can also search for, each one of these video services has a search engine. So there's 2 different search engines that are working here that people are using. Obviously the big general one as well as the video search engine. Now there's a top internet marketing research company right now that's conducting a test where they made, I think it's 28 videos for $2,000 total and uploaded them to these services. And in 3 months, they've gotten 1.3 million views and click-through rates of 400 to 500% higher than any regular pay-per-click advertising that they've ever tried. So it's pretty amazing results. And if you want to find out how you can get results like this, similar results to these, go to trafficgeyser.com right now and get some more information.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good. Very good. By the way, you guys had 9 out of 10 this morning. Last week when I checked, you also had 9 out of 10.
Wow, take a snapshot of that. Yeah.
Can't get it all on my page.